So today we come back with you guys with another challenge. Kool-Aid.
Challenge. So this challenge goes back like a few months ago, basically last year. People were doing it. So what you basically do is you have like a shot glass or like a shot. Just then it has to be at least a shot.
Or it can be like a whole glass.
No, it's just a shot. And you have to at least fill it up with Kool-Aid powder. And people know that Kool-Aid is delicious. But it's mostly because it's like more than a cup of sugar. It's just cups and cups of sugar. But if you think about it, if you just taste the powder itself, we're assuming it's not a good taste without the water and the sugar. But yeah, we're going to try and take a shot. We have to swallow it. And we just have to see who does it the fastest.
It's just like the cinnamon challenge.
Yes.
Yeah.
Except this time you have
Kool-Aid.
more. Yeah. Kool-Aid.
Okay.
And yeah. Just did like 4 envelopes of Kool-Aid. I added some of mine to hers because for some reason we assumed it wasn't measured right, and it was like 4 envelopes of Kool-Aid each, and hers came out to like 3 of mine, and mine was almost full. But either way, now we're like at the same level.
Yeah, we have the same. I feel like I have more.
No. It's the same.
It's not.
Yeah. Okay. So she got cherry, of course. She went with the simple classic cherry, but I went with my personal favorite, which is
shark.
The Sharkleberry thing. It's like a childish drink, but I love it. I don't know, what is it? It's like strawberry, banana, and orange. It's really good when it's mixed with water and sugar.
Well, yeah.
It smells good.
Yeah, it smells like.
It smells good, but I wonder if it tastes good.
Okay.
So we have to at least finish the whole shot.
Ah shit! Like a what?
I don't know. Do you wanna? We could try it. I don't know.
Yeah, like a shot. Like we.
Do you wanna know?
Yeah. This is my shot though.
That's
okay. That's okay. Okay. You guys ready?
Cheers. God. You can be like ding. I don't want to. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to take it all down.
Same.
It's gonna be like the. If you guys haven't seen our Cayenne pepper challenge, I'll put the link down in the description. But that one for me was a complete fail. She.
Oh my god, that was crazy.
But I'm not gonna.
The rest of the days, I suffer so much in the bathroom. No joke.
If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll put the link in the description below. And also, before we get started going through with the shot, I wanted to say, please, if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe down below, and give this video a like, please. Okay.
Okay.
I don't think I get that. Here we go. I don't want to do this. Okay. It's like the sours there. What's like you're bleeding? I get the.
I took it out.
Ah, you
You didn't take it. Oh.
and I took it out.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Here you go, bro. Ugh. It's like
You
this.
kissed it.
Okay, you told that. You look like you're bleeding. Did you even swallow any of it?
Yeah, I did. Go.
I should have had a cherry. Oh my god.
Come on. Go. On of it. Hey. Hey, come on. Swallowing already. Looks like she won and I lost because I jumped. She's still dying. Are you okay though? You okay? That's so funny. We did it. She's still dying. No. Thanks for watching, you guys. Subscribe and like this video.
Also, you guys don't
try this at home.
Yeah, don't try this at home. We should have said this at the beginning, but now, don't try this at home. This is really good stuff. The powder itself, it's like the sours.
It's so sour. Alright, bye. Thanks.
Oh, before we forgot.
What?
If you guys have it, so turn on our post notification. It's like right next to where you hit the subscribe button. There's a little bell icon. Just click on that and it'll notify you when I've uploaded a new video. And please, please, please share this video, share our channel with your friends, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys later. Bye.